Alaware's native Salesforce integration makes it simple to click to call any lead right within Salesforce using all the benefits of your Aloware Talk dialer. Let's see how to set it up. So the first thing you want to do is log into Aloware and then find Salesforce under your Integrations tab and click Settings. That will take you to the General Settings, and this is where you can install the Salesforce package. It's going to take you to the Salesforce App Exchange.
And once you're in App Exchange, find Aloware Cloud Contact Center and click Get It Now to download the extension. Then click the Install button after you verify the account that you want it attached to. After that, you'll just confirm the installation details. I already have mine installed, so I'm not going to go through with that, but you would click the Confirm and Install button. Then simply navigate back to Aloware and then find Salesforce under the Integrations tab, and then under General, click Install Salesforce Package.
If you already have it installed and you want to update for a new release, just click Installed Authenticate, and then it may prompt you to log into Salesforce. Go ahead if it does. Once you do that, you'll see confirmation of the connection success. That means you're good to go. And if you scroll down here, you'll see that the default setting has switched on leads, so that will automatically start pulling all of your leads from Salesforce and putting them into Aloware. If you want to turn that off, you can, and you can switch on contacts. You have two options there, but I'm happy with leads, so I'm going to leave it. But if you ever want to manually force the process, if you're noticing any delays in logging or something like that, you can go ahead and force pull Salesforce leads by clicking that button at the top, and that should take care of updating. And then to enable click to dial within Salesforce, all you have to do is download the call center XML. There's an installation guide that's clickable right in the integration. So all you would do is just click that, and then you would just log into Salesforce if it prompts you, but otherwise it'll take you right there. And under apps, you want to find the external app manager. You can do a quick search at the top by just typing in external, and then click on external client app manager, and then you'll see the Aloware client app. Just check to make sure that's enabled. In our case, it already is, so we don't have to do that step, but make sure you do if not. And then find Call Center. You can search Call Center at the top and then click the appropriate tab. And then you want to hit Continue, of course. Here you'll see Aloware Call Center Adapter. And you want to go ahead and import if this is your first time going through the setup. So just go ahead and choose the appropriate file. That would be the XML file that you just downloaded to your computer from Aloware. And once you've chosen that, just simply click Import to complete that process. In our case, we already have, so I'm going to cancel so we don't double up. To manage your users, simply click into Aloware Call Center Adapter. And then this is where you can add and remove users. Just click Manage Call Center Users. You'll see your current active list if there are any, and just click Add More Users to add to the list. And then we're going to click Find, and we'll select our desired user from the list below, and just check the box next to their name. And then click Add to Call Center, and that takes care of that portion, so they'll be an active user. And to remove users, it's a similar process. Just find their name and then click the Remove button to take them off of your list. For the next step, you want to go into the App Manager, so you can just type App Manager in the search bar, and that'll surface the correct choice. Just click in there and scroll down until you find Sales or Sales Console. Those are the two most popular choices, and then click the drop-down arrow next to your desired choice. And this is where you actually add the dialer CTI, so you can call and text within Salesforce with ease and get all of the Aloware Talk features that you know and love. So just click Add Utility Item, and then search for CTI Soft Phone and click that button when it surfaces. And that means your Aloware CTI dialer is ready to go, so just hit the back arrow in your browser in Salesforce and then click the menu for the app launcher. And simply find Sales to get into your sales contacts and leads. Then hit the Leads tab. And this is where you can start dialing. So you click to dial, it's very simple, you don't have to leave Salesforce. It may prompt you to log into Aloware the very first time, but once you're past that first time, your Aloware CTI dialer will just pop up and you'll be ready to go. So then as you can see here, just click to call your contact, select the line that you want to call from, hit call, and it really is that easy. The dialer will start connecting you with that lead. And the great thing about this CTI is it really replicates the Aloware Talk experience, and it gives you all of those actions and benefits right in Salesforce. So you can mute the lead, you can put them on hold, you can add notes and tags, do a voicemail drop. You can really easily add a user or transfer to another user just with the click of a button. So you have many different options and everything is at your fingertips. And when you end the call, you can add your call disposition and keep your records really organized. I'm going to add one here, as you can see. We'll set our disposition for the contact to appointment scheduled. You can send a follow-up message. You can even use a template similar to Aloware Talk, so it really speeds that follow-up process. Another really cool thing you can do from within your settings in Aloware with the Salesforce integration settings is sync your lead status to the contact disposition in Aloware. So that really makes it easy to keep track of all your records. And if you click that button that says pull lead statuses, then all of the contact dispositions that you enter within Aloware will start showing up in Salesforce. And you can go down and see the default field mapping. You can add mapping and just find contact disposition. You can search for that in the search bar and that will pop up. Contact disposition status. And then just sync that with your Salesforce lead status and simply search for lead status there in the drop-down menu, select it, and then that makes sure that the sync is bi-directional between Salesforce and Aloware. So every time one gets updated in Salesforce, it'll show up accordingly in Aloware and vice versa. So now let's try it out. We're making a call in Salesforce with the CTI. We've just wrapped up our call and we're going to enter the contact disposition status to see if it maps over to Aloware. So we'll just select the one that we would like. I'm going to delete the last one and then pull up a new disposition status. In this case, it'll be closed, not converted. Then we'll finish the call. And if you go back into Aloware, you can see that that has indeed mapped over into Talk. So that Salesforce field is now accessible in Talk, making the integration really smooth and really useful for connecting the systems.